My client stopped F45 4 to 5 times a week and lost 3 pounds. How is this possible? First of all, she is not the right demographic to be going to F45, and I could argue that no one should be going to those kinds of intense classes, but I'm not going to say that. This client is looking for 10 to 15 pounds of fat loss. Those classes are all about super short rest periods, supersets, and basically like jacking up your heart rate to burn calories in the moment. But she wasn't actually being challenged, and they were making her so ravenous that she was eating literally whatever she wanted, which ended up being a very high fat diet. Stopping F45 in and of itself was not the key, but that was the beginning to getting her hormones to be in a better place. It was the unlock to help her start spending that time lifting heavy and sprinting. So she's focusing more on truly implementing progressive overload, on truly lifting heavier weights and stopping with the kind of like super high intensity and then no rest, right? So when we sprint on my team, we're sprinting for like 10 to 20 seconds, but we're resting for 60 to 90 seconds because we need our heart rate to fully come back down, because the obsession is not calorie burn. The obsession with sprinting is to increase growth hormone. The obsession with sprinting is to really jack up our VO2 max and is to increase the amount of oxygen that we are taking in, because that is how we induce the epic effect, which is what allows sprinting to help keep your body burning even after you've stopped the exercise. So sprinting is so powerful. And yes, high intensity interval training can give you some aspect of this, but without the crazy hormone spike. When we pair sprinting with heavy lifting, and I don't mean so heavy that she was like only doing 1 to 3 reps, I mean like still in the 8 to 12 rep range, but by pairing those two together, her hormones were able to come down a bit. Morning cortisol was able to come back down a bit, and her hunger was more regulated, it was more reliable, and we gave her a structured plan around her meals times, right? So she wasn't just going off of how she was feeling, she was going off of what do I need now? I need more protein, I need less fat, I need more carbs. Stopping an exercise that isn't helping you is the first step to reaching your goals, but then you need to bring in food. And this is why in my new app, food tracking is included, and you don't have to upgrade to get meals and to get a custom calorie breakdown and recommendation, because what I know in my soul is that you cannot just do a workout program and expect to see results. You have to pair it with the right eating habits and the right nutrition. And the right eating habits and nutrition is going to be based on you, because nutrition is not a one-size-fits-all scenario. So head to my bio, download my new app. The client I was talking about was a one-on-one, but all of the tools that you need to start your journey are in my new app goals. And if you do want to bridge over to one-on-one coaching, or you want to set up a consult, I am also here for that. Everything is possible if you're willing to stop doing what isn't serving you. And I'm here to help you do that, friend.